Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix raw file system of Pendrive fix not formatted error drive. Right click start button, click disk management. Removable drive shows raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list volume. Select removable drive volume letter. Select volume 6. Clean. Create partition primary. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.